Let's break down this video by scene. The first scene is about going to work. So on Monday, I go to work at 8 a.m. and I come back home at 5 p.m. Now, the verb to go in French is aller. In this particular case is I go or I am going. There's only one present in French. Je vais. Je vais is I go or I'm going. Le lundi, je vais au travail. On Monday, I go to work. Je vais au travail. Travail is work. Le lundi, je vais au travail à 8 heures du matin. À 8 heures du matin. At 8 in the morning. Remember that for the time, we say 8 hours in the morning. You have to say the word hour, heure. Le lundi, je vais au travail à 8 heures du matin. You can use the verb to go, je vais, like to go to the supermarket, like in scene number 2. Je vais au supermarché. Je vais is I go or I'm going. Now the following verb is to come back or to go back, to return. Je rentre. The verb is, at the infinitive, rentrer. It's conjugated the regular way, it's not irregular. Je rentre. Je rentre chez moi. Chez moi is my place, my home. It's an expression you will hear very often. Je rentre chez moi à 17 heures. Now remember that for the time we use military time, so 17 heures is 5 p.m. We don't use a.m. or p.m. We just use numbers from 1 to 24. Let me repeat the sentence. Le lundi, je vais au travail à 8 heures du matin et je rentre chez moi à 17 heures. Now repeat after me. Le lundi, je vais au travail à 8 heures du matin et je rentre chez moi à 17 heures. As you already saw in the video lesson, ensuite means then. Ensuite, it's an action following a previous action. Je vais au travail. Ensuite, je vais au supermarché. Je vais, again, is I go or I'm going. There's only one present in French. Ensuite, je vais au supermarché. Supermarché is supermarket. Now let's repeat the sentence. Ensuite, je vais au supermarché. Now, let's repeat after me. Ensuite, je vais au supermarché. In this sentence, the O is the preposition to, because, like in English, I go to work, I go to the supermarket. This is what O means. We will learn, of course, in other videos that this preposition changes depending on the place. Like everything in French, everything has a gender. So the preposition also depends on the gender of the following noun. In this case, supermarché is masculine. Therefore, the preposition is au, just like travail in the previous scene. Un travail is masculine. So we say je vais au travail. Je vais au supermarché. Ensuite, je vais au supermarché. Plus tard means later. Plus tard. Remember, you don't pronounce the last letter. You don't say plus tard. You have to say plus tard. Plus tard, je dîne. In French, we don't say I have dinner. You say I dine. Je dîne. It's the verb dîner. It's a regular verb. Je dîne. Je dîne et je me couche. Je me couche, as you will see in other videos in higher modules, is I go to bed. It's a reflexive verb. That's why you see me. Je me couche. It's like I put myself to bed, basically. But this is not the correct translation, but this is how we say it in French. It's reflexive. You are doing the action. Je me couche. The verb is se coucher. Se coucher means to go to bed. Je me couche à 22 heures. Now you see the preposition à. À is when you're going to tell time. Je me couche à 22 heures. In English it would be at. 22 heures is 10 p.m. Remember that we use military time from 0 to 24. I repeat the sentence. Plus tard, je dîne et je me couche à 22 heures. Now let's repeat after me slowly. Plus tard, je dîne et je me couche à 22 heures. Le mardi, je ne travaille pas. We saw that in scene number 1 is je travaille, which is I work or I'm working. But then on Tuesday, le mardi, je ne travaille pas. This is the negative form of I work, which means I don't work or I'm not working. Je ne travaille pas. You can see the double negative, which is the way we say a negative sentence in French. First, the subject, je, then the first negative, ne, then the verb, travaille, and the last negative, pas. In this case, it's important to remember that the pas is mandatory in a negative sentence. Nowadays, many people skip the ne and they would say je travaille pas, which is absolutely incorrect but very used. I encourage you to use both because you can hear and use either or, but the correct form is the one that I wrote. Je ne travaille pas. On Tuesday, I don't work. Le mardi, je ne travaille pas. Le mardi, je ne travaille pas. Je vais à la gym de 9h à 11h. Now again, we see the verb to go. I am going or I go. Je vais. And then we see the preposition à la gym, because gym in French is feminine. Therefore, as I explained before, the preposition instead of au, like au travail, au supermarché, will switch to à la. Je vais à la gym. Gym. Je vais à la gym. De 9h à 11h. Now we're introducing from to. De is from when you tell time. I go from that time to that time. De 9h à 11h. Je vais where? À la gym. When? De 9h à 11h. Now let's repeat the sentence. Je vais à la gym de 9h à 11h. Now let's repeat slowly. Je vais à la gym de 9h à 11h. Je déjeune au restaurant et ensuite, l'après-midi, je vais au cinéma. Je déjeune. Just like for dinner, we don't say I have lunch. we say I lunch. Je déjeune. The verb is déjeuner, regular. Je déjeune au restaurant. So in this case, au would be the preposition at the restaurant. Je déjeune au restaurant. Et ensuite, l'après-midi is the afternoon. L'après-midi, je vais au cinéma. Now the preposition is au because cinema is masculine. Let's repeat. Je déjeune au restaurant et ensuite, l'après-midi, je vais au cinéma. Je déjeune au restaurant et ensuite, l'après-midi, je vais au cinéma.